मिर्ची खाने से यूटीआई नहीं होता है, स्पाइसी फूड खाने से यूटीआई नहीं होता है, पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स यूज करने से यूटीआई नहीं होता है। हाय, आई एम डॉक्टर शिखा गर्ग। लेट्स बस्ट द मिथ अराउंड यूटीआई. These are not the common causes for the UTI. The main common cause because of which you are getting UTIs or recurrent UTIs or frequent UTIs are other things like sexual activity is one of the reasons. Females are more prone to UTI than males. That is a biological reason. You cannot help it. Females have a shorter urethra, so they are more prone to that. Having kidney stones or a history of diabetes, which is uncontrolled sugar, immunocompromised status because of any other disease. Apart from that, not maintaining your hygiene, having multiple sexual partners can also cause, apart from STDs, it can cause UTI, not particularly, but dehydration, kidney stones, these all can be the reasons of UTI. But eating spicy food or saying you are on the using public toilets can cause UTI. No, they cannot cause UTI. Staying dehydrated and not maintaining personal hygiene definitely is one of the reasons. So what would be the symptoms? You already know. If you are having pain abdomen, lower pain abdomen, or burning micturition, that is burning of urine, or frequently you are going for urination and you feel there is not much of urine passed, but you are feeling like again and again, so that's called urgency. Or there could be a smelly urine, there could be blood in urine, there could be pus, white colored thick urine. All these could be symptoms of UTI. Get your urine routine tested whenever you feel, whenever you think there could be a doubt of UTI. Do not prolong it, because when you do not take your symptoms seriously or when you do not get tested for routine urine routine or cultures, there are chances that UTI, which was initially the lower UTI, which means in the urethra region, it can spread to your bladder or even to the kidneys. So kidney stones might cause UTI, but that is not affecting directly kidneys per se yet, right? So another is not emptying your bladder properly. People in the old age or people, males with prostate enlargement, they can have that UTIs. Of course, it's more common in females otherwise, but males, if they get UTI, it's more recurrent also. So, if you have any of the symptoms, go in for your urine routine and culture from a good lab. Please don't go in for random labs where they do not know how to check it, and accordingly get tested and treated. Thank you.